Imagine a dinosaur with claws longer than a grown man's arm. No, this isn't a creature from a fantasy movie. This was Therizinosaurus, one of the strangest and most fascinating dinosaurs ever to walk the earth. Today, we're diving deep into the world of this scythe lizard. So grab your paleontologist hat and let's get started. Therizinosaurus lived during the late Cretaceous period, about 70 million years ago in what is now Mongolia. When its first fossils were discovered in 1948, scientists were completely baffled. They found massive, 3-foot-long claws. Naturally, they assumed these belonged to a giant, fearsome predator, maybe even some kind of turtle. The name Therizinosaurus literally means scythe lizard, painting a picture of a terrifying hunter. But here's the twist. As more fossils were uncovered, a completely different picture emerged. Therizinosaurus wasn't a fierce carnivore. It was most likely an herbivore. So, what were those gigantic, terrifying claws for? Paleontologists have a few theories. The leading idea is that it used them like giant rakes to pull down high branches, bringing leaves and fruit closer to its mouth. Think of a prehistoric giant sloth, but way, way bigger. These claws could also have been a formidable defensive weapon. A swipe from a Therizinosaurus would have been enough to deter even the most determined predators, like the fearsome Tarbosaurus that shared its habitat. It's a perfect example of speak softly and carry a big stick, or in this case, a giant claw. Another possibility is that they were used for display, perhaps to attract mates or intimidate rivals, much like a peacock uses its tail feathers. So, what did this animal actually look like? Picture this. A towering beast standing up to 16 feet tall and weighing around 5 tons. It had a long neck, a small head with a beak, and a pot-bellied body. And based on fossils of its relatives, scientists believe Therizinosaurus was likely covered in primitive feathers, making it look like a giant, shaggy, bird-like creature. It was truly a unique mix of features, unlike almost any other dinosaur we know of. From the first mysterious claw to our current understanding, Therizinosaurus proves that the world of dinosaurs is full of surprises. It challenges our assumptions about what a large clawed dinosaur should be. It wasn't a monster, but a specialized plant eater that carved out a unique niche in its prehistoric world. Its story is a powerful reminder that in nature, things are often not what they seem. What was once thought to be a super predator turned out to be one of history's most peculiar herbivores. What do you think those giant claws were for? Let me know your theories down in the comments. Thanks for joining me on this journey back in time. If you enjoyed learning about the weird and wonderful Therizinosaurus, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into the prehistoric world. See you next time.